Again, my name is Kevin Richardson. I'm a natural health researcher and practitioner. And as you watch this presentation to the very end, I'll share this secret with you. Because what I'm going to reveal is so simple, so easy, and so inexpensive. And especially because it can drastically decrease or even eliminate the amount of medication you are having to take. I may be forced by the powers that be to take this free video down. If you come back tomorrow and this presentation is no longer free, don't say I didn't warn you. So watch this right now while you still can. You know, even though this may sound impossible right this moment, after you watch this entire video and do what it says, like thousands of deeply grateful people have before you, your doctor, friends, and family will be shocked at the staggering recovery your body goes through almost overnight. How suddenly even tumors and cancer cells can begin to melt away, and how asthma sufferers can suddenly feel like they are taking their first deep breath in decades. How clogged and hardened arteries suddenly become clean and smooth as Teflon and as toned as an athlete. And that's just to name a few of the thousands of case studies that have been documented. I'm going to teach you the secret in just a second. But before I do, I need to talk about the big lie that's keeping you, your family, or dear friends from being free from needless illnesses, physical pain, and disease now. And I think you'll see why I feel it's my duty to share it with you. Especially after you hear about how a 70-year-old woman with knee-scorching arthritis in her knees is now able to walk freely again. Or how a man with severe vertigo was able to make his symptoms disappear. Or how another woman on cholesterol medications went back to her doctor to hear him say she didn't need them anymore. Not to mention the stories of people who have eliminated fatigue, digestion problems, and aches and pains they thought was just part of getting older, and all without drugs or surgery. As I'm sure you'll see, what I'm sharing can mean the difference between the life and death of someone you love. But just a fair warning, you might be angered when you hear about how the medical community and Big Pharma has lobbied to prevent the secret from getting out, so please stay with me. What's the big lie that's keeping you from healing virtually any disease or illness without the horrible and even devastating side effects? The big lie is that a cure for the most debilitating and fatal diseases today can only be treated with medical drugs and surgery, and that any natural cure doesn't exist. As I'm about to prove to you in just a minute, how a natural, inexpensive, non-chemical cure does in fact exist. The truth is, your body already has the power to kill any harmful germ, virus, bacteria, or dysfunction. And anyone can unlock this miraculous healing power for themselves, naturally and easily, which is what your body already wants to do, by using this powerful, safe, gentle, and unusual 5-minute exercise. And it takes as little as 5 minutes a day. In fact, after thousands of documented medical case studies dating back over 5,000 years, there is one simple fact that once you accept it, will allow you to reverse any illness and disease-proof your body. As foreign as this may sound, it certainly sounded foreign to me when I was going through the thousands of case studies of healing miracles. And it was still unbelievable when I personally saw it cure illnesses doctors said were incurable. Look, there is a reason why some people, and even entire cultures, manage to live their entire lives without debilitating illnesses. While Americans are regarded as the most medicated and overweight country in the world, has nothing to do with their genes or with how many veggies they eat. And it certainly doesn't have anything to do with the level of medical technology they had. Sure, there were a few extreme cases I've seen and read about, like being on the verge of death, that took a bit longer to fully recover back to living a full, even athletic life again. But all medical case studies revealed that the reason why any disease heals is because their body's own healing mechanisms were unlocked and released to do what they were designed to do, create optimum health. Every documented case study of a dramatic healing I studied, and every client I taught this therapy to, the story was the same. Plain and simple, the big secret the ancient Chinese discovered and have been using for thousands of years to reverse any illness, including cancer, AIDS, clogged arteries, arthritis, diabetes, Alzheimer's, yeast infections, completely, is to remove what they call energy roadblocks in your body to make it impossible for bacteria, cancer, or any virus to live, and to create an almost miraculous recovery and immunity to any disease.